Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine tutorial series. So today I'm going to work on this ledge climbing system with advanced animations. So I have improved the ledge climbing system to one more step. So here you have an animation that this character climb onto the ledge. Still not perfect, but I'm getting there, I think. See. Okay, and as always, this episode is sponsored by these generous Patreons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. I have 2 pages of Patreons now. Okay, okay, so this is what I have at the moment. My character can just climb like this. It does not hang on the ledge, just directly climb even if the ledge is way high above his head. So for a place like this it's okay, but for a place like this that's not okay. So I'm going to make this character first hang on to this ledge and then climb up. This is still buggy. I need to work on improvements a lot, right? So let's see. I'm going to use this animation. This is called uh, braced hang to crouch animation. So this is the way it plays. Okay, right, I'll download this animation without skin. I don't need the skin, and I am going to add the root bone using this this blender plugin. I hope you remember how to do this. How did I set up these things? Because I have done a separate video on how to use blender to add a root bone to the Mixamo rig. So that's what I am going to do here. And here let's go to under advanced options. I think in previous cases I disabled this use Z, but I think since this animation has a Z component, Z movement in the animation, I think I need to keep it enabled. Okay, let's convert this converted, and let me import that animation climbing. Night. This is the skeleton. Wait, what's wrong? Alright, I imported the wrong animation. This is the animation I should import. I don't need to import mesh. I only need the animation. Okay, so this is the animation without root motion. So this is the animation with root motion. I need to keep the root motion root lock to animations first frame, right. Alright, so let's see. So what is the situation that I should use that animation? I should do that when the this is where I detect the location ledge's top location here. So when this point is higher than a certain amount from the character's location, so yeah, let's do it like this. After this branch, let me collapse this part first. So this is climb on ledge, and here I'll do another branch, and this should be like this. Let's first get the actor location and then reduce that by this impact location. They should be connected first. And I'll split this. If Z is larger than what? Let's say capsule half height. If this is false, this part should take place. Let's see what happens. Okay, I think I need to increase that amount, the difference, because I can't even climb up to this ledge. Right, so let's increase this amount. Instead of half height, I'll get the height. Like scale half height and multiply this by 2, so I can get the capsule side. Okay, still something is wrong. Let's see. And here it can't jump up to this ledge because that ledge is higher than the capsule half height. But it can directly jump here. Oh, that's wrong. That's wrong. So I think I can't use 2, maybe 1.5. Right. guess that works. Let's see what happens here. Okay, I think that value is fine. Right, now the next step is hanging this character on the ledge. How can I do that? Okay, first I'll create an animation montage from this. And let's see what happens. How did I do this here? I think I'll just do the same. First, let me duplicate this and expand. Oh. Use the same value like this, connect like this, and for the wait, where do I play that animation montage? Right, I don't play animation montage here, so I'll play that animation montage right here. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, did something happen? I'm not sure. Wait, I think I have a small problem here. Let's reduce the speed of time to see clearly what happens. Set global time dilation, and I'll decrease this to 0.1. Here. Now we can see easily what's going on. Okay, all right. That was very fast. So wait, let's increase this time. Let's use something like 0.6 so that we would have more time. And here I'll set global time dilation to 1 again, so I can test it again without any interruption. Well, that's wrong, because I'm not sure what happened. Let me check again. Alright. Is it correct? Um, yeah, I have some issues with the eye case. So first, when I play this animation montage, I'll disable eye case. For that, I have animation notifier events. Should I put it on here or in the montage? Yeah, let's put them on the montage. Here, disable IK, and here enable IK. Right, and let's check again. Okay. Right, I need to disable this spring arm collision, because that's why when the collider of this rock interfere with the spring arm, the distance of the spring arm changes, so I can't clearly see what's going on. Where that's wrong. It's not good enough. Yeah, okay, I enabled the debug lines to see what's going on. Okay, here I get two traces, and I think that's where the problem occurs. Right, first I need to rotate this character towards the ledge also. Okay, I think this, let's try this system on even surfaces so that we can have a better idea. Hmm, what's the collision type? Default. Let's set it to block call. No. Wait. Something is wrong. Let's enable the debug of this one as well. Okay. Right. Here is the... Okay, my second debug line direction is wrong. So this must be... Okay, I have done a very stupid mistake here. So this must be multiply, not plus. I'm really sorry. I think this must have caused trouble for you in previous episodes as well. So I'm really sorry about that. And I didn't notice that before because that was okay in the previous cases, because plus 80 means it will take a direction into the rock. Okay, right. This should be minus 80. I'm really sorry about that. Okay, that was odd. So let's check here. Wrong. Right, let's try this. I will disconnect this part for now, and before reducing the time dilation, I'll connect this and this, and here I'll change the movement mode to fly, and after this delay I'll set I don't think we need this delay. No, I need set movement mode back to walking. What went wrong? I have a little problem here. So I reduced this multiplier to minus 20, and what else I am printing? What is the object that I am hitting with the line trace? And yeah, this is the problem. So here my collision, the line trace hit location is inside the cube. This happens here as well. See, that hit is inside the cube, so that's wrong. Therefore I'll do something like this. I will also check before executing this. Let me get some space. Oh, another branch, a lot of branches. If yeah, I also considered here only the half height. Now I'm considering only that. And yeah, let's I need to consider this hit distance, so let me print it. I will increase the time. Because I think something odd is going on here. See, the distance is 0. Again 0. So that's not good. So I guess that happens when my line trace starts inside a collider. I'm not sure, just a guess. So therefore I'll also check in here the distance, out hit distance, it must be larger than 0. No, I don't think I would be able to climb any of these ledges. Yeah, what happened here? Okay, I can't because I always get the 0 for the hit distance, so therefore I guess I need to increase this. Let's try 200. Okay, that's better. This I can't climb because 200 is not enough. So let's try 300. I don't think, I hope I'm not making a mistake. Okay, now to prevent my character going inside the mesh, what can I do? Let's check the animation for a second. So when I start playing this animation, my character's location should be still. I should have stopped it moving, right? I'm not sure, because I need to keep the hands of the character at the same position, but it's not like that in my version. So maybe let's try something like this. Before playing this montage, I'll move my character to this location, and after that I'll play. I just want to see what happens. I know that this would be wrong, but I just need to see what happens. Okay. That animation didn't play at all. Yeah, that's because in this unlanded I play some animation montage. Yeah, this one. So that cancel out this one. So therefore, for temporarily I'll disable this and see what happens. But still that would be called if unlanded event is called anyway. Oh, can't jump. Why is that? Okay, so just to test, maybe I'll do something like this. I'll quickly move this character within 0.2 seconds to not exactly to this point, but something below. Maybe something like this. This one, yeah, without this part. 0.2, move there, and yeah, I'll disconnect these parts for now, because if I play this on landed or if I set the movement mode to working, I would have a problem. Let's see. Okay, no. So I need to move this character from that point below the half height. I'll multiply this by -1 and plug it here. Let's see what happens now. Okay, alright, that's better actually. Now what's the playtime of this animation? It's 1.1 seconds. Alright, so I'll give 1 second to play that out and call this. There is a bit of a snapping going on here. We have to fix it later. See? Yeah, actually that snapping happens because I think I set the blend time of this animation to somewhere 1. Blend it, no, that's alright. Okay, so finally this is what I had to do. Let me show it again. Okay, so first I disabled this time dilation, and yeah, here I set the movement mode to flying, and then I moved the capsule to the edge of the ledge, because from this wait, where is it? From this animation also I get some movement to the capsule, so therefore I moved the capsule, actually the character, to the edge of the ledge, and then I played this animation montage and added some delay like 1 second, and then I called, well, I don't need to call this, I set movement mode back to walking, and yeah, then I called the previous climb on ledge part. So I added a sequence here and reset it like this. Okay, so this is the final result. I'll disable these things, and also I enable the capsule visibility. This is still not perfect, but better than what we had before. See, okay, we have to improve this a lot, but for now I'm gonna stop at this point. So still it throws some problems in places like this, but let's see, we will continue to work on this until we get a perfect system. Alright, it has taken almost 14 minutes, so I'll stop this video at this point. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And also don't forget to check out my third person shooter series as well. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.